Well, first up on the bulletin, let's tell you about the Pune horror. Finally, there has been a breakthrough. The accused in the Pune rape incident, who was detained by a team of Pune Crime Branch from a village in Shirur Tehsil of Pune district, has now been formally arrested. In fact, the DCP Samarthana Patil, Zone 2 of the Pune police, has said that the accused Dattatreya Ramdas Gade had been formally arrested, and that has been confirmed. In fact, there's more breaking news which is coming in regarding this. Well, another breakthrough has happened. In this case, the police have arrested the accused, as we've been telling you, but also sources reveal that the suspect was hiding in a farm in Pune. Acting on a tip-off, the police launched a search operation with sniffer dogs. Eventually, they tracked him down. Exclusive details are coming in the high-stakes operation has now been accessed. How did the police manage to track, trace, and arrest this man? Let me go across to Shushti. Shushti, tell us the inside scoop of the investigations.
Well, of course, 13 teams of Pune police as well as crime branch were on lookout of this particular accused who has committed this crime at the bus depot in Swargate, Pune. The teams were constantly in touch with the family members of the accused, as well as they were in touch with with his native village. What comes across is that he was hiding in sugarcane farm. He knows the area quite in a proper way, considering the fact that he has been there all his life, so he knows that area, and that's why he was hiding in the sugarcane farms. Importantly, he went to some person's house yesterday to drink water, and that's when that person informed police, and then police was able to manage to nab him down. Importantly, around 1 o'clock, the accused was nabbed, and then he was brought to Pune here, and then he was arrested. Importantly, he will be produced in the court, and police will be demanding his custody. But what comes across is that a big breakthrough for this case to Pune police, because there was a lot of pressure that was mounting on them. Importantly, just few moments ago, Pune CP has taken a press conference, and he has mentioned that ligature marks are there on his neck. So there are high chances that he has tried to end his life, he has tried to commit suicide, but that factor needs to be investigated. Medical reports will be done and all the procedures will be followed. But this is the crucial detail that has been given by the Pune's police commissioner, Amitesh Kumar. He has taken press conference, and he has mentioned that there were ligature marks on his neck. So we have to see how the investigation pans out, how many days police will be demanding custody, because we have seen earlier that there are several cases against this particular accused. Now, what Pune police is saying, that they are going to do a proper safety audit for the city, and they will ensure that women's safety is not going for any toss, because where this exact incident has happened, that is really crucial. Swargate is a hustling and bustling area in Pune, and it's in middle of Pune, and it's a huge bus depot.
Right.
A crime like this happening there at around 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the morning, it's absolutely uncalled for and very shocking. And that's why now safety audits will be done. However,
right,
there is a departmental inquiry from Transport Department as well that has been initiated. There was a crucial meeting at Mantralaya, but yes, a big breakthrough for Pune police also, as they have...
In fact, do stay on with us. Yes, we'll discuss more about